Ayan, bola na ng United Bowlers. Yung number 21 setting up the play. Finds number 7. Back to number 21. To number 10. And a traveling violation. One ball to Boyle. Number 24. Setting up. Number 24. And a 3 seconds violation. Number 21. Number 21. To number 30. Wala yan. Out of bounds.
Bahala kayo dyan.
Bola pa rin ng number 24. Boyo. Boyo still finds. All ball. Dumikit yung
Bola
bola.
ng ano ng bata.
Same ball. Yung mga bata dyan, huwag kayong mag-dribble dyan. Tatalsik yung bola. Red lock pa rin tayo. 30. 30 all. Number 20 in the line. And the first one is good.
Wala si Torgino.
Second one is good. Number 21. Number 10, Bulls. Wanda, rebound by Roby. To Boyo. Boyo, nagmamadali. What a beautiful showdown basketball made by Boyo. Number 21, Bumawi. And a score. 34, 32. Number 34 hesitates. Number 34 still. And there's a double dribble violation. Hoy, mga bata!
Akit ka dun.
Akyat kayo dyan. Number 30. Number 25, and there's a foul committed by number. Who's foul rip?
Umbaw.
Number 7 is foul. Pag pumasok ka, idol, pasok ka.
Pangalawa pag pumasok.
Pangalawa. Pangalawang tira, pag pumasok, mamaya na. Pag pumasok, yung pangalawang tira. Second one is Rondo. Rebound by Roby. Tuhog. Mujar. Okay na eh. Amber, number 7. Boyo. Mujar. And a steal by number 20. Inghong penetrates and there's a foul. Substitution. Foul number 7. Substitution. Passing back. Number 7 foul. Number 7 first personal foul. Substitution. Palit. Substitution. Ulang pa rin.
Tama na.
Inghong to Boyo. Setting up the play. Takes back to Samson and a score. Beautiful isolation and a score by the team NBL. Number 21. Wala yan. Rebound by Bonifacio to Boyo. Boyo. To playoff eh. Drop pass ka number 91. Floater shot. Wala yan. Rebound yan. Number 13. Pinasa kay number 21. Number 13. Umikot. Back number 15. Falls to 3. Rebounds. 35-36. Boyo setting up the play. Finds number 24. Samson penetrates. Overshoots, rebound by number 13. Long pass to number 21. Wala ang bola. Out of bounds. Ayan na si Boyo, number 24. Number 24, penetrates. And there's a foul committed by number. Who's foul up? Sino na foul up? Foul number 77. Warning for unsportsmanlike behavior. Warning.
Nakampi to. Sab daw siya.
Red ball lang.
Sige, substitution muna. Substitution. Pasok na. Sige, technical yan. Okay lang yan. Technical. Technical. Pagpasok ka na. Pasok ka na, idol. Ilan kayo? Lumabas na yung isa kasi mate-technical kayo dyan. Ilan kayo? Sub muna kayo.
Mamaya ka na ito. May technical yan. Mamaya ka na.
Number 31, inbound to the ball. 21. Hoy, mga bata, yung mga chinelas, bakit nagkakapong kayo dito? Oh, di number 45. Wala na, ng United Ballers yan. Ng ating score, 36-35. Ayan na si number 21, yung number 15, pulls, wala, rebound by Samson. Samson to number 24, Boyo. Boyo still. Walang bola. Pwede na magsab. Substitution na. Pasok na, pasok. Uy, substitution na. Walang pumapasok. Sige, tuloy ang leg. Walang lumalabas. Number 13. Number 13, number 21. Number 21, finds number 13. Wala yan, recovered by number 26. And a score. Face favor tayo. 37-36. Lamang na ang United Ballers. Number 91. Penetrates. Forcing the offense at the baseline. Passing to the Roman. Takes. Number 21. Forcing the offense and a score.
Time out. Time out mo ba?
Pag ano, pag dead ball, time out.
Time
Pag
out.
dead ball, time out.
Pag dead ball sa number 24. Floater shot and a score. Timeout, United Ballers.
Sulit na niya. Sulit na niya. Patayin ko, patayin ko.
Number 21. Number 21 to number 50. Number 50. Tumira ng 3. Wala yan. Na-rebound ni Boyo. Boyo still penetrates and traveling violation. Ayan na, si number 21. Naghahanap na. May kasahan. Points number 30. Pulls. And the score. 41-38 ang ating score. Keep it. Number 45. Tumira ng 3. Recovered by number 91. Sana lang ang kalamangan ng United Ballers. 41 minutes or number 15. Goes the three from the downtown. In and out ang bola. Recovered number 15. One go. Put back shot. Yan. Ni number 13. Adding score. 43-40. Number 45. Drop pass to number 91. Lose the ball. Nakuha niya ni number 15. Number 15. Libre na si number 21. Umikot. Is number 15. Wala. Kuha yan ni GM. Samson forcing the offense. And a score. 42-43. Time remaining. 1 minute, 15 seconds. Number 30, pulls, overshoots, rebound by number 91 to number 24, Boyo. Boyo still. Boyo penetrates, hesitates, and a score! Change flavor tayo ulit. Number 21, and there's a foul. Dito by number 91. 48 seconds left. Substitution. Substitution na siya. 45-44. Number 21 in the line. One go, rebound by Samson. Samson to give it to Boyo. Boyo still hesitates, penetrates, and there's a foul committed by number 91. Number 91, United Colors.
First personal foul. 91. Foul. 91. Pumasok?
Deadlock tayo, 45 all. And the second one is good. Change flavor tayo, 46-45, lamang ang Violet. MDL. 32 seconds. Number 15. Back to number 21. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 15. Pulls. Rebound. Pasa dalawang kalamangan. And a steal by the right tip.
Wala ng timeout. Wala ng timeout. Nakita niyo naman sa board, oh.
Number 27 to number 13. Pulls. Wala yan. Rebound by Boyo. Boyo to Samson. And there's a foul by number 21. Penalty situation, ref. Number 24 will be in the line for his bonus. 3 seconds remaining in this third quarter. And the second one is good. Second free throw is won't go. Alright, and another ball ang ating third quarter of this game, 48-47 in favor of the Violet NPL. We are now in the last quarter of this game. Our next game for tonight will be between Jambela and Duhat.
Nahabol pa natin yung oras. Dahil 7. Second game. Nahabol natin. Sakto. Kahit na-delay tayo. Oo nga.
Samson penetrates. 49-48. Number 15 towards the three. One goal. Number 21 to number 3. Carabiner shot. And a score. Case Baylor tayo, 50-49. Balik ang Kalamangan sa United Dollars. Number 24 to number 15. Malakas ang tira. Long pass to out of bounds.
21.
Mamaya, i-technical.
Mamaya.
Mamaya.
May technical yan, idol. Oo nga, may technical
Mamaya.
yan. Meron yan isa. May idol.
Number 21. And the score. 51-50. Balikan Kalamangan sa NBL.
Ang dead ball pa, pero ito na
Number 13. Tumira. One go. Rebound by number 13. Mujar to Boyo. Boyo steal. Boyo. Nawala ang bola. Number 15 to number 21. Pulls. One go. Recovered. Kuha ulit ni Boyo. Boyo penetrates. And out of bounds. Time out! Time out. May technical lang ano ha. May technical lang ito. Kasi sa uniform. Pag sushoot sila ng isa. Sige na, pashutin mo na ng isa yung ano. Shoot muna kayo bago mag-time out.
idol, tiro na kayo. Tiro na kayo. Oh, sabi mo nga. Si Mujar ang palitan mo.
Number 26. And a steal by Boyo. Boyo. Same ball possession. Substitution. Substitution. Robbie missing that shot at the baseline. Number 21 is a jump ball. And si Boyo. Boyo to Robbie. And a score. 53-52. Balik ang Kalamangan sa NBL. Kasi number 21. Number 21. Number 21 still. 9 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds. Barzar na lang. Number 15. Tumira. One go. Rebound by GM. Fuentes. Number 21. To Samson. Samson. Number 24. 53-52. In favor of the team NBL. Ang ganda ng pasahan. 55-52 ang ating score.
Okay na yung lineup nila.
Time remaining in this fourth quarter, 5 minutes 50. 55-52 ang ating score, nawala ang bola. Out of bounds. Next game, mag-bis-bis na Team Jamela versus Team Duhat. Number 24, drop pass to Robbie. He spins to Ingong. Rejected. Same ball possession. Shot clock, 13 seconds left. Fuentes pulls. Whee! Number 21, losing the ball. Nakahala ni Boyo. Boyo still. Boyo, drop pass kay Inyo. Puts it in! Team United Bowlers. Number 15 setting up the play. And a steal by Ingho. Ingho, number 20. Spins and a score by Ingho, number 20. Number 26. Number 26. Forcing the offense, pulls. One goal recovered by number 13. And there's a foul committed by number 20. Number 20, second personal foul. Number 13 will be the line for his bonus. Our score, 62-52. NBL's ahead of 10. Baba sa 8 ang Kalamangan ng NBL. 4 minutes 44, Boyo. Boyo setting up the play. And there's a foul. Double dribble tayo. Lifting violation. Number 77 to number 10 to number 15. Pulls. Overshoots. Rebound by number 26. Forcing the offense. Puts it in. Mabasaan, ibang kalabangan. Number 24. Setting up the play. Finds in home. Fakes. Rejected. 9 to shoot. Roby. Fuentes. Walang bola. Number 30. Number 13. Almost losing the ball. Finds number 10. Pulls the 3. 5. Baba sa tatlong kalamangan.
May idol, nahawakan na yung bola.
Mag-request kayo ng timeout. Ako magta-timeout kayo. Timeout ba yan? Pag ano,
Pagpatay ang bola.
Traveling violation. May mga nagbayal. Mabasa sa tatlong kalamangan, 62-59, 3 minutes and 26 seconds. United Bowlers, number 77, Rafael. Number 21, Dr. Rafael, almost a steal. Number 77, back number 13, pulls, overshoots, rebound by Ingho. Pinasa sa kalaban, number 21, and double dribble tayo. Goyo setting up the play, number 24. Fuentes pulls the 3, overshoots. Out of bounds, goal on United Bowlers. Number 77 setting up the play, finds number 26, walang bola. 2 minutes 38 in this last quarter. Ngayon na si Boyo. Boyo, grab pass, Kai. Samson forcing the offense, short. And there's a foul committed by number 20. 2 minutes 27, 62, 59. In favor of the Violet. Number 77. Setting up the play. Substitution tayo. Sige, pasok. Back to the hard court. Number 91 to number 21. Fakes. Nawala ang bola. Out of bounds. Bola na ng NBL. Number 91, inbounding the ball. Boyo. Last 2 minutes. Number 24, Boyo. Number 21, offensive. Last 2 minutes, number 21. Number 10. Pulls the 3. Wala yan. Nakuha niya number 13. And there's a foul. Substitution. Who's foul up? Number 20. Number 20. Third personal foul. 59-62 ang ating score. Nabasa dalawang kalamangan ng NBL. Number 13. The second one is goal. Wala yan. Stepping the line. Stepping the line. Nakita natin. Stepping the line. Thank you. Not counted yun, not counted. Stepping the line. Natawagan na. Same ball possession. Deadlock tayo. 62 all. 1 minute 27. Oh, showtime! Fuentes pulls the three. Rebound! Quality Fuentes yan. 1 minute and 10. Samson setting up the play. To Boyo. 10 to shoot. Boyo. Nawala ang bola. Number 26. Pinasa kay number 15. Pulls. Libre yan. 64, 65 ang ating score. 50 seconds na lang tayo. Samson.
Mali kasi, dapat hindi siya.
Time out now.
Boyo! Dapat siya ang naglaro ng boy. Sabi mo,
14 seconds. Shot clock. Sige, 14 seconds shot clock lang tayo. 10 to shoot. Number 13, forcing the offense. In and out ang bola. Rebound by Samson. To Boyo. Boyo still. Samson. Wala yan. Rebound by the United Ballers. Leaders number 15. Puts it in. 66-55. Kapang kalamangan sa NBA, sa United Ballers. 18 seconds. To Samson. Forcing the offense. Puts it in. Balik ang kalamangan. Sa NBL, 67-66. Time remaining, 12 seconds. Wala nang timeout ang United Ballers. Meron pa kayong isang timeout. NBL. Isa pang timeout. Wala na kayong timeout. Walang penalty. Walang penalty. Ito. Meron pa yan, isang foul na lang penalty na. A warning penalty.
Oras na lang.
Ang NBL. 12 seconds remaining. Wala na tayong shot clock. Buzzer na lang maririnig ninyo. Kahit sinong pumaul, penalty yan.